In this video, I'll show you how to deposit money in Crypto.com. So there's a few different ways you can do this. The first step is the same for every single one, and that is to open the Crypto.com app and from the home screen click on the deposit button. You then get a few different options. You can deposit tokens, aka crypto, you can deposit cash, which is just from your bank account, Apple Pay, etc., or you can request from a friend. Most often you will either want to do tokens or cash. If you want to send crypto from another wallet to your Crypto.com account, select tokens. If you want to deposit from a bank account or Apple Pay, then select cash. I'll do cash. Now here you can choose where you want to deposit from. So for me it's set to Apple Pay. This does have a 2% fee. So if I click on Apple Pay here, I can then also switch it up to MasterCard or a bank transfer where you have no fee. If you do a bank transfer, that will also link that bank account to your Crypto.com account, which means you can then also withdraw money to that bank account later and there's no fee. So personally, I recommend going with bank transfer. It will give you some details that you can use to make a deposit. So just make the deposit to those details and it will then show up in your account. But for this example, I'll just go and deposit some money using Apple Pay. So click review, then confirm, and now it is being confirmed right here. So we can now see deposit complete. And now if I go to my accounts right here, it will show up shortly in my euro balance. So that's how you can deposit money on Crypto.com. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.